Often, people's first thought when it comes to logistics and the supply chain centers around finished products they can buy, like phones, cars, TVs, gaming systems, appliances, and more. But for these seemingly random product examples to reach the final stage of the consumer, they all require a common component: the semiconductor chip, also called the microchip. Semiconductor chips are vital to just about every electronic device these days. In fact, well over 1 trillion chips were sold in 2021. So when semiconductors are in short supply, all of those other products are affected in turn. Where are most semiconductors made? That's a two-pronged question when it comes to the supply chain. While some chip makers design and create the chips in the same facility, others are fabless companies, meaning they design the chips but outsource fabrication, in this case to facilities called foundries. The vast majority of semiconductors are made in East Asia, specifically in Taiwan, which has well more than half the global market share. Though partly due to chip shortages and partly in recognition of continued demand, more domestic facilities are in the works. What are most semiconductors made of? This one is a simple answer: silicon. You may have heard of Silicon Valley. Silicon is distilled from sand via a heating process, then it's crafted into silicon wafers to form the base of the semiconductor. What is the semiconductor supply chain? The semiconductor supply chain involves EMS, or electronic manufacturing services, creating the base wafer component, semiconductor design and manufacturing, as previously noted. Sometimes this is all in one facility, other times the manufacturing, which creates the actual electric circuits, is outsourced. Assembly and testing, finishing and packaging the products, then testing them to ensure they work as intended. And consumers, which in this case are the manufacturers of other products that use semiconductors, which then, through their supply chains, get them into the hands of you and I. Why did the semiconductor chip shortage occur? As mentioned a few times already, these microchips make a vast array of products function, with a high-end example of an individual electric car requiring somewhere around 2,000 on its own. The COVID-19 pandemic and changing consumer spending habits to a heavy focus on goods instead of activities led to stresses on many products. And since so many of those products use semiconductors, it created a run on this component. Add in general supply chain stresses caused by this major spending shift, and COVID, among other factors, and the shortage of chips also had major implications on manufacturing of cars and the many other products we've mentioned. Governments and private industry are working on ways to ramp up production with more facilities for the long term to avoid a similar situation reoccurring, but that does take time. Dealing with your own supply chain issues? At Intech Freight and Logistics, we're here to help. Call us at 317-208-5565 or visit our website www.intechfreight-logistics.com and hit the Request a Quote button. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.